I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rock TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright? Now, y'all know I had to get this shoe. You know what I mean? I had to get this shoe and get it in hand. It kind of surprise dropped a few weeks ago on Dover Street Market. I believe that is a sneaker shop in New York. I've ordered shoes from them before, so I happened to see it pop up online, and I said, I got to have that shoe. I got to get it. However, it actually releases on Wednesday on the Sneakers app. So if you were considering copying that shoe this coming Wednesday, September the 18th, then here is a look at the shoe for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is the box that it came in. So let's go ahead. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't seen it. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Normally I'm anxious and I have to take a look at it, but I didn't take a look. I did not take a look this time. So, all right. Get the shank out of here. All right. Little bubble wrap. Oh, there it is. Get that out of here. And then here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. You can see that Dover Street Market eShop there. All right, let's get that up and out the way. And there it is. Get that over there. And we got more plastic wrap. Some Dover Street Market bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. You gotta try. All right, get that out of there. All right, so here it is. Boom. Jordan box. All right, little Nike Air action there. And these are the Air Jordan 8 Retro SE white, black, red orbit. All right, size 14, of course. All right. Now I'm a little upset because the retail on these, as you can see, is $225. Now I had to eat every bit of that for this one. Normally, if I get them from Nike, I'm able to get a discount. But I didn't get these from Nike because initially these were listed as a Dover Street Market exclusive. So I copped. Then a week later, they pop up to be sold on Nike. Win some, lose some. I had to have them one way or the other. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rock TV. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. The Air Jordan 8 Retro. Woo. Woo. Yo, hold on. Look at, oh my goodness, I hope my camera is giving it justice. Look at the toe box area. And oh, let me get the shoe tree out of here. Oh my goodness. Let me get that out of here because maybe I'm tripping. Look at the, oh, that's soft. Oh man, that is soft. I don't think I've ever seen this kind of softness on an 8. Look at how soft that is in the toe box. What material is that? Oh, and then this blue. Okay, that's not as soft, but it feels different. What is that? What is this blue made of? What is that made out of? Okay, so this is like a plastic. This pink here, this pink is the plastic. This blue is a plastic as well. And then so this yellow is different. What is this yellow and this blue here? Maybe that's just the normal leather, but this is soft. This white on the toe box is soft. And you got that nubuck going around. It might be some suede going around the back there and the front here. Black Air Jordan straps there. Typical 8s. Typical 8 straps there. I like these different colors, man. And then you got the clear eyelet holder there for the straps. Clear. There. Black laces, nothing on the lace tips. What color is that Jumpman in there? That Jumpman on the insole is white. White Jumpman, black insole. You got your hit of the gray going around here on the midsole. Very nice. And then on that bottom, boom. Black bottom pods all around. But then you got all the colors. The yellow, the blue, and that pink. All splattered there. I love the bottoms of Jordan 8s. I just love how that looks. Man, that looks really good. That looks really good. White Jumpman up top there. And then on the tongue, of course, you know, you got the carpet tongue. You got your blue, your pink, and your yellow. Right there. Very dope, man. When I looked at these at first, I said, those look crazy. And then I kind of said, they look like the South Beach versions that kind of released last year. I forget what they call those, hyper turquoise or something. I have them in the other room. But these kind of look like those initially. But, man, y'all know. If you've been watching this channel long enough, you know. If you know, you know. Like, you know that this was, if I could get it, it was coming, you know? There's not very many 8s that I have the power to get that I just pass on. There's nothing on the back of the straps here. Plastic straps, which is different. Very different on a Jordan 8. And then you got your 2-3 there, of course. Something I haven't done in a while, just to see if there's a difference. Let's go ahead and get the right boy. Let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. Right shoe. Second. Alright, so looking at it head to head with the left one, there's no differences. They're the exact same. They are the exact same. I just wanted to see if there was going to be like a difference in the color blocking, like if the blue was on the outside or something, but they are the exact same looking shoe. So let's go ahead and get the right boy. Right boy! Get the right boy out of here. But yeah, man, very dope shoe. Very dope shoe. Now let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. Okay, so this is what I had on feet today. This is what I was rocking today. These Gatorade Jordan 1s. Quality on these bad boys, impeccable. Let's go ahead and get these out of here. And here we are. On feet. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw some comments. I saw some comments when these were released. People were saying these were crazy. These are ugly. Probably the ugliest Jordan 8 released. But nah. If I'm seeing it how I'm looking at it, how I'm thinking I'm seeing it on this camera, man, they look dope on feet. They look dope. Man. As usual, for me, size 14 fits perfectly. You know what I mean? Here's my big toe right here. They fit great. They fit great. No complaints. I only have one Jordan 8 in my entire collection that isn't a size 14, and that's this one. This is a 13.5, which is my true size, but that is also a unicorn size, so for me, this 14 fits perfectly. Well, let's get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. These most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. Now, in the event that you missed out on these when they released on Dover Street Market, these are releasing again this coming Wednesday, September the 18th, 2019 on the Sneakers app, okay? So make sure you head over to the Sneakers app and cop you a pair if you are looking for these, because I highly recommend them. I know I'm a little biased. I know Jordan 8s are my favorites, all right? But in hand, these things are, they're ridiculous. They're ridiculous, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. I know that's a lot of colors. I know this is a plastic tab, or the plastic straps, let me say. But, man, look how different these are, though, man. These are dope. These are dope to me. I recommend them. I think the quality on them in the toe box, in the leather areas are nice. Just something different, man. Something different than the typical colorways that we get. So I give these 2 thumbs up. I recommend them. But anyway, that's going to do it on these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. Thank you to all who hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace. I just figured out why I think these are so sweet to me. Look at these are New Day 8s. Look at the colors. It's the exact colorway. They made some New Day 8s. Look at this. I didn't notice this. Look, these are the Booty-O box New Day 8s. No wonder I thought these were just too sweet. Look at these. Make sure that you ain't booty.